What's going on, YouTube? Just doing a little update on my Gorillus blue Umbees and their fry. They're doing very well. Mama's being a good parent. All's well and going good. It's January 9th, 14. Look at all them little fry. Yeah, she's a good mom, and this is their first spawn, and just doing a little update on for you guys. He's a pretty good dad. He's a pretty mellow fish. He's not real protective. She does most of the watching over the fry, and old Bella is what I named her, and Boz. I got this pair from Trace. I want to shout out to him for raising such great fish. Thank you, and just a little update on this video. They're in a 180-gallon tank all by themselves. Just installed a new spray bar on this tank, hooked it up to my FX5, and it's doing a really good job and really quiet, pushing a lot of water, and does a really good job. Running a Jagger 300-watt heater that keeps the temperature exactly what I want. Thanks for watching, guys.